Welcome to PathAI. We're so happy to have you. Come on in. This is Shallon and Mackenzie. They'll be greeting you at the front desk. I'd love to take you on a tour today. Follow me. We're gonna head into the boardroom. I think there's a presentation going on in there.
This graph shows how cool our office is. And as you can see, our coolness is off the charts.
Pay attention, Rock. New employee. Come with me this way. Hey, Alex, playing some ping pong?
We're trying, but Luigi's being too stiff today.
Oh, he always is.
Do you want to put on some music?
Yeah, pump it up.
Sounds good.
Follow me, I'll take you to the rest of the office. Marilyn, don't forget your ID. These are all the desks we have for the employees. Look how hard at work they are. Hey, Isabella, making yourself a bevy?
I am. Check out this touchless app.
Wow, that's so cool. Do you mind if I make myself a coffee and you take them on the rest of the tour?
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome.
Follow me. So this is our kitchen. And right over here, we have our wall of snacks. I'm just gonna grab one to go with the tour. And this is the cafe. It's a great place when you're eating lunch or just wanna hang out with some friends once we're back in the office. And next up, I wanna show you some of the conference rooms. Let's check this one out. Oh, it looks like it's a little busy. We could just come back later. But we could come sit over here while we wait for that to be open. Check out this view. Hey, Mackenzie.
Hey, Isabella.
You want a snack?
Sure, thanks.
Let me show you some more conference rooms. Oh, here are our co-founders. Hey, AK, hey, Andy. Let's keep going. Sounds like they're talking about business. Hey, Cole.
Hey, Isabel, what's up?
Nothing. Glad you just got off a phone call.
Yeah.
Do you mind taking them for the rest of the tour?
Yeah, no problem. Let's go to the game room, guys.
Great.
Whoa, you guys are playing Smash? No way, I got next, Brett.
All right, Cole, good luck. All right, let's keep moving. So we have the mother's room over here. Looks like somebody's already in there. Looks like we also have some PathAIers busy working together, collaborating. As we keep moving, you can see all of our scientific posters and our accomplishments. Over here, we have our library. Great area if you want to hang out, get away from your desk for a little bit, have some quiet time. Oh, hey, Shallon, how are you?
Hey, Brett.
Oh, look at that. There's Waldo. All right, we're gonna go check out the yoga room. Hey, Mackenzie, how's it going?
Hey, Brett. I'm good. How are you?
Doing well.
And breathe in. Are you here to take over with Rex?
I am. We're doing arms today.
Awesome. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Ready to see the best spot of the office? Marion's on the roof.
Oh, hey, Mackenzie.
Hey, guys.
I'm so glad you guys made it up to the roof. Make sure you check out a view of Boston before we head back down.
Where'd they go?
Thanks for coming on this tour.
We can't wait for you to join us here with all of our friends.